Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I'll show you how to add friends on Steam. There are couples of ways. And do you like the picture? I just went to the beach last summer. It was crazy, the picture. I made the picture. I'm just proud of that. Anyway, let's open the Steam because as I told you, there are... Oh goddammit, let's open that again. There are two ways how I told you how to add friends. And for some you'll have to pay, for some you don't have to pay. So we're in the library, it doesn't really matter. So to add friends, you will have here Steam in the top left corner, Steam view, friends, games and help. Let's press on Steam, not on, it was on Steam? No, friends. Then you will have to press on add friend. And from here, you can enter your friend code. He just have to give it to you. Or you can search him by his name. John, where are you, John? Can I add someone named John here on Steam randomly? This one, I will add John as a friend. So this is how it's working. But if you just create the account, you may have to pay in order to add a friend, because these are the rules here on Steam. I didn't make them. If I remember right, it was around $5 in order to activate your account. But there is another way how to add friends if you don't want to pay. This may work. So let's have a look. You'll have to press on your profile name and then you will find friends. Here will be the third one it was. Okay, it's not working because I just changed my name like a couple of minutes ago. But when you will press here on friends, you will get on the same page where I was when I pressed add friend. It will get you in the same place, but from here may not work if your account is not activated. And to get on this page, you will have to go here, put your mouse on the profile name. Then if you will press on friends, you'll get on the same place. And here you can generate... oh, John just added me. Hi mate, I can type for some reasons. I just check if my keyboard is working, but this was really interesting because I added somebody random and they accepted and just typing me back. That made my day. But for some reason that it doesn't let me to type it back. So anyway, after you'll get on this page, you'll have to generate a new link. And as you can see, just change the URL. You'll have to copy this and send it to... Oh goddammit, just press on copy. You will have to send this to your friend that you want to add. And when he will press on that link, you will get to his friend list instantly. Come on, can I type something to John? Oh, it worked. Oh, I sent him a message. I didn't mean to. I'm not controlling this. Oh, well, however, I want to try that again. Where is John? Here is John. Hi mate, I was doing just a quick tutorial on YouTube and found you totally random. Have a nice day. that is something. Anyway guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. Like John will make a lot of comments to me. And I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.